Today we are going to create content in video format from scratch. We'll record the screen, record the talking head, edit the video, put music, titles, and then publish it. And the entire process can be done completely for free using a product which is called Clipchamp. It is available as a part of Office Personal Edition as well. So just go to outlook.com, create a free email ID, log in using the personal account, and then you will see Clipchamp. It is completely browser based. We have many other features, we have templates and so on, but let's start from scratch. This is the free version I'm using. Now, if you want, you have upgrade option, but the steps involved remain exactly the same. We are in the blank new untitled video right now. So give it a name. Now, what am I going to record? A screen demo. So here is my browser. This is Microsoft 365. From here, I want to teach one feature. So I come back to this and then say record and create. I want the screen capture as well as my talking head or my face. It will ask me to select the camera. If you have multiple cameras, you can choose the best one. Make sure the lighting and background, everything is clear. The second thing to choose is the correct microphone. If you have multiple microphones, choose the best one. When you click on the record button, it will ask you where is the screen area which you want to capture. So it could be browser tabs, or I have it as separate window, or I can have entire screen. So I'm going to choose this Office 365 window. Now the moment I click on the share button, the recording will start. So be careful. Make sure you are in the correct place. So now whatever I'm showing and doing is getting recorded. Hello, welcome to this video. I'm going to show you a great new feature in Copilot. So click on the create button. Choose help me create. That's the prompt I have given. I'm asking it to generate. Now after the generation is over, then you can decide in what format do you want the output to be. So let it do its generation and then we'll come back. Now this is a pause. In editing, we are going to remove it. Don't worry. So there you have it. It has given me a list of topics. And now it is suggesting, do I want the output in OneNote, Word or Loop? Because this text-oriented output. This is a great use of Copilot. Now I've finished recording my video. So I come back to the browser page where Clipchamp is running. Notice it's telling me the recording is now 1 minute 36 seconds, whatever. It says stop. So this is where I want to teach. So now it starts playing the video immediately. So I paused it. Just say save and edit. And now it puts the videos on timeline and you can edit the video. Now let's understand this editing region. Our screen recording as well as the video is already here. And both of them are added here. This is called a timeline. This starting point 0 and the overall length of this video is 1 minute 39 seconds. The next step is to remove the unwanted portions of the video. Hello, welcome. So this place, hello, welcome, is what I want. Now this portion on the left side is not required. So go to the scissor, split, or just remember the shortcut S. This part gets split. Click on the split portion and press delete. Now this empty space is not gone. So click on this, delete this gap. Now the video starts correctly. Hello, welcome to this video. The same way, I'll delete the unwanted portion at the end. Now I've great use of Copilot. So again press split and delete. Now just one more variation. Let's say at some point of time I don't want my video to be shown. For that we will have to ungroup. Let's say from here I don't want my video to be shown. So make sure only the talking video is selected. Split it. Go to the end point. Again split it. Now select the portion which you want to hide. This is video plus audio, so don't delete it because then the audio also will go. On the right side, you can see adjust colors. And here we have something called transparency. So if I make it transparent, now notice what happens. So let it do its generation and then we'll come back. So the video is playing, but it's transparent. How do you know that? Because if I change, notice the transparency is changing. Usually we will have a title or some illustrations. So those things come from content library if it's some illustrations, or simple titles come as text. There are lots of titles. You hover on it, it shows you how it animates. Okay, so this one I want to put in the beginning. It added another track for titles. And when you click on it, you will see text. I'll just call it Copilot Demo. Now, although I'm writing here, it's not showing me anything on the screen. Why is that happening? Because where is my time cursor? This is the time cursor. So if my time cursor is somewhere inside the text, then it is going to show it. I can change the size and some other options as well. There's one more aspect which you should look at. Very often we want closed captions. So go to CC or captions. Clipchamp has AI built in. So I'm going to say transcribe media. It's very important to choose the correct language. Yes, this is English, but there are multiple different intonations. I have an Indian accent, so I choose English India. Choose transcribe. Depending on the duration of the video, it will take some time. So it created proper captions. When you run it, 365, I've logged in using my corporate ID and I have Copilot license. Finally, we are ready to export the video. Go to export button. HD or 1080p is available in the free version. If you want 4K, you'll have to upgrade. It starts rendering or generating the video. So there you have it. Hello, welcome to this video. I'm going to show you a great new feature in Copilot. So that's it. We created a video from scratch by recording screen, recording talking head, editing, titling, and so on. So try it out and let me know if you like it. That's it for now. See you next time. Thank you.